So today I'm going to be doing a full glam makeup tutorial, and the color we're going to be using is blue. So I have an eyebrow tutorial already on my TikTok. You guys can check that out. So my eyebrows are going to be done in 3, 2, 1. Again, my eyebrow tutorial is on my YouTube, my TikTok, and my Instagram. Check it out. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to start applying my foundation. Now I'm going to put my foundation. Now we're going to blend all this in. Now we go in with some contour. Now let's get into the eye look. So I'm going to start with this blue color right here. And then I might go in with some sparkles. Now I'm going to go in and I'm going to cut my crease so I can do my wing. Now I'm going to do my wing, and I'm thinking probably like a dark blue eyeshadow. I'm kind of loving it. So I've continued it a little bit down to half. I think I'm gonna put white here and maybe add some rhinestones. Now I just added some sparkles. And I added a little bit more concealer just to shape up my wing. Now I'm gonna start applying my blue rhinestones. Actually, I think I might extend this wing out, maybe. I use hair gel. So please don't judge me. Stick the rhinestones on my eyes. Now I'm applying mascara to my natural lashes. Now I'm gonna put some blush right under where I would usually put my highlighter. A little bit on my nose because I'm extra. Going in with the highlighter right here under my brow and on my nose area. For lips, I'm gonna go with my Tarte lip gloss in the color Flaming Hot.